kind of train us a little bit. How can we get the most out of our prompts, right? So
Yep.
or questions, what you're looking for. Can you kind of explain the process and why this is so important to make sure you get good, actionable results?
The first thing you want to do is give it a persona. And when I mentioned before about how prompts could be a page to a page and a half, you literally would say, so instead of me writing something like, give me an outline for a presentation on AI, right? I'm going to get one result. But if I give it a persona as an expert in AI or as one of the founding fathers of AI, right? So that's a part of the persona. And then another one is if I were to say as an expert in AI, give me an outline for a presentation, it's going to come up with a lot of very technical jargon. So then you want to say, okay, well, what is this really? So as an expert in AI who's presenting to non-technical people, right? So now that's my persona. And again, just on a call, even just this morning, where someone was saying, it would say like, as an expert in AI who lives in New York City and is challenged with X, Y, and Z, again, like as much information as you can give it is really the key to helping refine and getting the perfect results out of it. The next piece is input, right? So give it some input. So again, what I'm taking you through here is the structure of what you'll see the result of. But in this case, it's like review this agenda, and then you paste in the agenda. Another example, and I posted this to LinkedIn a couple of weeks ago. I took my bio from LinkedIn, my summary bio from LinkedIn, and I dropped it into ChatGPT, and I said, how do I align with the profile of the CTO? And it scanned through, matched me up, gave me a quick summary on this point, this point, this point, and then said others, other CTOs would also have this, this, and this. And the interesting thing for me was to see that it was identifying areas that I have experience in, but I hadn't, highlighted that way. So again, the input is just as strong as the persona piece. And then make sure you tell it what you want. Like, what are you really trying to get out of it, right? So it's one thing to say, okay, I'm an expert. Here's my input. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think is not really what you want. Like, what do you really, really want to get out of your result? And then, like we mentioned before, it's not always going to be 100% accurate. So don't be afraid to refine and try again. So a lot of people are using AI to help compose emails, as an example, and it's very easy to compose again, compose again, compose again. On a daily basis, I use Grammarly. I'd like to consider myself a decent writer, but I still use Grammarly as like a checkpoint. And a lot of times Grammarly tries to change my style, so I reject it. But again, refine, try again. And then inevitably it will actually start like learning your behavior, or you can teach it your behavior. So I could say the persona can actually be, partially me. So it could be as an expert in AI who is also Joel Evans, see the attached, presenting. This is what I want. So there's a lot of power in that prompt. Is a short answer.
Yeah, and I don't, Joe,
Long
I don't
slide.
know that a lot of people fully understand that yet because this is so new, but the better the prompt, the better the question to AI, the
Yep,
better the result.
absolutely.
And that's something we have to practice on, and it doesn't hurt to give it a try. You can go to copilot.microsoft.com and give it a try
Yep.
and have fun with it.
Yeah,
It's something that
and
can generate some
OpenAI and
great results.
Meta and all the ones that are out there, they all like want you to have a good time.